So, you want to start your business, but don't know where to start or what to focus on? Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 things that you have to focus on to build your online business. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build your online business. If you're thinking of starting a business, only thing that you have to focus on, only 3 things that you have to focus on. The first thing that you have to focus on is to have a website. You have to have a well-designed website that's going to be converting so easily. People will come to your site. And of course, I might be biased, but the best platform to use for your online business, if you're selling products, especially, is Shopify. So you need to have a well-designed Shopify store. You choose a nice theme that goes with your branding or your feel, right? And make sure that you add those apps that you need on your store so that you be able to optimize and be able to capitalize on the traffic that comes so that you have more profit in your business. So check out the app stores to see what kind of apps you can add to your store and be able to help you to increase your order value. The second thing that you have to do is to have, of course, hot products. You have to have products. So you have to make sure you choose products that are trending in niche, right, that are proven to be bestsellers already and they're in high demand. That way you'll be able to sell them easily on your beautiful, well-designed Shopify store. And the third thing that you have to focus on is to drive traffic. You need to have traffic coming to your beautiful design store where you have all these products that you have chosen right there. So to drive traffic, you can use your different kind of marketings, right? Whether it's doing advertisements, running ads, right? You have to make sure that your ads are attracting the right customers that's going to be attracted to the products and be able to become buyers at the end. So you have to make sure that you have scroll stopping ads that you're using, you're targeting the right audience so that you'll be able to get the results that you want, because you have to market each day. Someone has to know that you exist. You have to be driving traffic to your website through your marketing. Even if you're to use just content marketing, the same thing, email marketing, everything, you have to have a means of marketing your products, right? Because if no one knows that you exist, no one's going to buy those hot products, right? No one's going to see the beautiful website of yours. So you need to find ways to drive traffic. You have to market your products. So those are the 3 things that you have to focus on. The website, which is well designed, the hot products that are in demand, and the third thing is to drive traffic through your ads or your content or any other marketing that you choose to do for your business, because somebody needs to know every day. And when you focus on these 3 things, it takes away all the overwhelm of thinking all these 100 things of pieces that you have to do for you to start your business, right? You're just focusing on those three things, right? And when you do that, it simplifies everything. You are not overwhelmed. You don't feel burnout. You don't feel like, oh my gosh, this is too much to do, and end up quitting, right? But business can be fun when you know that you can just focus on those 3 things and you'll be able to have your business up and running in no time. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can always leave a comment. So I hope you found this video useful and you like it. Make sure you share with others that might find this video useful as well. And make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share 2-step tricks on how to build and market your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love. And I'll see you next time. Take care.